So this year's Geneva Motor Show didn't exactly go to plan, but that didn't stop BMW from revealing their new i4 electric car, something that will hit the road in 2021 to rival the impressive Tesla Model 3. This is the first time both companies have had a truly comparable product, so here's how they stack up against each other. Now there's a slight caveat with the i4, in that what you see here is a very close to production ready car, but not the 100% finished thing. That said, with only a year to go until launch, most of this car will have already been signed off. The Model 3 is already on our roads, and you can check out our Model 3 performance road test review on the channel. The new BMW i4 sits on the next generation 4 Series Grand Coupe platform and hosts a taut, athletic body that's said to provide class-leading aerodynamic efficiency. Contributing to its reduced drag are a set of distinctive alloy wheels, flush door handles and slim mirrors. Barring the enormous kidney grills, I think it's a pretty good looking car. The Model 3 is a familiar shape on our roads today with its minimalist design. A bit like an iPhone, its sophisticated form possesses the power of the understatement, something that many value. It's certainly not as distinctive as the i4, but looks are subjective, so we'll let you decide which of the two would look best on your driveway. The Tesla's interior mimics its exterior with an IKEA-like minimalism. It seats 5, one more than the i4, and represents a big step up in material quality over some previous Tesla models. Its central focus is a large 17-inch display that immediately declutters the console of buttons and hosts one of the slickest infotainment systems out there. BMW's answer to Tesla's tech is a wraparound display that spills out from the driver's side and into the centre console. It's visually very impressive, and considering what a masterpiece BMW's iDrive is today, the new system stands a good chance of class leadership come 2021. As mentioned, the i4 in this form only seats 4, however we'd expect a regular 3-seat rear bench to be in the production car. Now we get down to the nuts and bolts of things, or motors and batteries as we're talking about EVs. Taking the dual-motor Tesla Model 3 Performance as an example, it packs a 75 kWh battery and 449 brake horsepower. Thanks to all-wheel drive, this Model 3 will rocket from 0 to 62 mph in just 3.2 seconds and onto a top speed of 162 mph. Those figures are enough to give some serious performance cars a run for their money. The BMW i4 wins this game of top trumps with a larger 80 kWh battery and an output of 523 brake horsepower. It also has all-wheel drive, but BMW have yet to announce an official 0 to 62 time, but we'd expect it to be less than 4 seconds given its other performance credentials. That said, the Tesla will likely have a higher top speed than the i4, as it only claims in excess of 124 mph, some way short of the Model 3. Range is another big factor for electric cars, with the BMW i4's 373 miles matching that of the Tesla Model 3 long range. It is said that BMW will also offer a rear-wheel drive variant of the i4. The Model 3 is a good handling car, although not as involving to drive as some rivals. This is where BMW might have an ace to play, with its chassis engineering being something of a benchmark for enthusiasts. A focus on thinner and lighter weight battery packaging certainly suggests that the German luxury marque aims to optimise the i4 for the keener driver. For a true comparison, we'll have to wait until next year, but until then, you can be the judge in the comments.